Subscribe my channel.
Sentences for kitchen with Urdu Hindi translation. 1. Preheat the griddle. 2. Make a smeared bread. 3. Strain the tea. 4. Turn the flatbread upside down. 5. Pour little water. 6. Knead the dough. 7. Roll the dough into small balls. 8. Unrolling the chapatis. 9. I'm breaking the chapatis. 10. Boil the milk. 11. Please fry the onion. 12. The milk is over boiling. 13. The water has boiled away. 14. Cook over a low heat for 10 minutes. 10. 15. Curry is too salty. 16. Cook until the meat is very tender. 17. Strain the pasta. 18. Warm up the milk. 19. The milk may boil over. 20. Let it cool down. 21. The water has boiled away. 22. Increase heat to medium. 22. Reduce heat to medium. 23. Milk has curdled. Or milk has gone off. 24. Prepare the lunch. 25. I have just sat down to eat. 26. Peel of the carrot. 27. Spread the butter on the bread. 28. Bring some snack for me. 29. Pour coffee into the cup. 30. Boil the potatoes. 31. Crush the ginger pieces. 32. Sprinkle the water. 33. Sprinkle the pepper powder. 34. Wash the fruits. 35. Squeeze the lemon. 36. Mince the onions. 37. Chop the beans. 38. Don't over-fry it. 39. Fry on both sides. 49. Please sieve the flour. 50. Cover it while cooking.